Bold minimalism isn't just a design choice, it's a philosophy, a way of living that values simplicity without compromising on impact. In home design, this approach embraces clean lines, open spaces, and a purposeful connection with nature. Unlike traditional minimalism that may appear stark or cold, bold minimalism balances restraint with character. It dares to blend elegance and raw natural elements, crafting homes that feel both sophisticated and serene. This approach is for those who appreciate the quiet power of intentional design, where every element has a purpose and a story. In bold minimalist home design, less is more becomes a deliberate strategy. Stripping away unnecessary clutter reveals the true essence of a space, allowing its architectural beauty to shine. Rather than filling rooms with excess decor, designers focus on essential pieces that carry presence, like a sculptural chair or a striking, handcrafted vase. Each item stands as an art piece, inviting appreciation. The simplicity of the design isn't about deprivation. It's about cultivating mindfulness in a world often overwhelmed by excess. Bold minimalism embraces the idea that fewer, carefully selected pieces can evoke deeper emotions and greater appreciation. A central aspect of bold minimalist design is the seamless integration of nature. Large windows frame views of the outdoors, turning landscapes into living artwork. Natural materials, stone, wood, and concrete, are celebrated for their authenticity, bringing texture and warmth to the space. Indoor gardens or thoughtfully placed greenery soften the structured lines, breathing life into the interiors. These elements aren't mere decorations. They are bridges that connect the home to its environment. The relationship between inside and outside becomes fluid, creating a sanctuary where residents feel grounded and connected to nature. Bold minimalism finds strength in contrast between light and shadow, rough and smooth, natural and industrial. A black accent wall might punctuate a room's brightness, while polished concrete floors harmonize with rustic wooden beams. The balance lies in restraint. Boldness doesn't mean excess. The use of statement colors or textures is intentional, drawing attention without overwhelming the senses. This balance of boldness and restraint creates spaces that are dynamic yet serene, energizing yet calming. The result is a home that feels timeless, not tied to trends but grounded in thoughtful design. In a bold, minimalist home, texture becomes a silent storyteller. The roughness of exposed brick against the sleekness of glass, the softness of a wool rug underfoot, the cool touch of metal accents. All these tactile experiences enrich the sensory depth of a space. Rather than relying on intricate patterns or vibrant colors, texture creates layers of interest. The contrast between smooth and rough, hard and soft, evokes curiosity and invites interaction. This delicate play of materials gives the space a warmth that minimalist design often lacks, making the home not just a place to live, but an experience to savor. Bold minimalist homes embrace open floor plans that promote fluid movement and flexibility. Walls are minimized to create a sense of spaciousness, allowing light to travel freely and illuminate every corner. These expansive spaces nurture an open mind, a sense of freedom uncluttered by barriers. Rooms are designed to be multifunctional yet focused, each space serving a clear purpose. This openness cultivates mindfulness, encouraging intentional living where every item has meaning and every action has awareness. The result is a home that doesn't just exist but breathes, inviting you to slow down, reflect, and reconnect. In bold minimalist design, the color palette is intentionally curated, often rooted in neutral tones like whites, grays, and earthy shades. However, bold minimalism isn't afraid to make a statement. Deep blacks, forest greens, or rich terracottas may punctuate the space, adding depth and sophistication. These colors are used sparingly yet strategically, making each accent impactful. The goal is not to overwhelm, but to create a balanced dialogue between calmness and boldness. This thoughtful use of color enhances the connection to nature, evoking the hues of earth, sky, and stone, grounding the home in its environment. Furniture in a bold, minimalist home is more than just functional. Each piece is chosen as a sculptural element. Clean, angular shapes blend with organic, curved forms, creating visual harmony. Sofas with sleek silhouettes, minimalist dining tables made of reclaimed wood, and accent chairs that double as art pieces reflect a commitment to both comfort and style. Rather than overcrowding the space, each furniture piece stands alone yet integrates seamlessly. The intention is to create a curated, gallery-like atmosphere where every object resonates with purpose and craftsmanship. Lighting plays a pivotal role in bold, minimalist homes, serving both functional and artistic purposes. Natural light is prioritized, with expansive windows that invite the outdoors in, casting dynamic shadows that change throughout the day. Artificial lighting is carefully layered. Ambient, task, and accent lighting work together to shape mood and atmosphere. Sculptural pendant lights, sleek recessed fixtures, and strategically placed floor lamps create a sense of depth. Light becomes a tool to emphasize textures, enhance contrasts, and draw attention to the architectural features of the space, adding an almost theatrical quality to everyday living. Decor in a bold, minimalist home is chosen with intention, avoiding excess while embracing pieces that carry personal significance or cultural value. Handcrafted ceramics, abstract sculptures, or framed black and white photography can serve as focal points. Art becomes a deliberate statement, bold yet restrained. Wall art and decor aren't merely for filling space, they reflect the personalities and passions of the inhabitants. The minimal yet impactful approach to decor creates a mindful living experience where every object has a reason to exist, evoking deeper appreciation and presence. Bold minimalism aligns with sustainable living, embracing materials that respect the environment. Natural stones, reclaimed wood, recycled metals, and low-impact concrete are favored for their authenticity and eco-friendliness. Indoor plants not only beautify but purify the air, reinforcing the home's connection to nature. Energy-efficient windows, water-saving fixtures, and conscious material choices demonstrate a respect for the environment. The minimalist lifestyle inherently reduces waste, emphasizing quality over quantity, favoring pieces that last a lifetime over disposable trends. This sustainable approach fosters a home that is not only aesthetically pleasing but ethically considerate. A bold, minimalist home is not just a physical space, it's an emotional experience. The intentional simplicity invites mindfulness, encouraging inhabitants to appreciate the present moment. By reducing visual noise, the space nurtures calmness, reflection, and creativity. The connection to nature provides grounding and balance, creating a sanctuary from the chaos of modern life. Living in a space where every item has meaning fosters a deeper connection to one's surroundings, evoking a sense of gratitude and fulfillment. This emotional resonance is the true essence of bold minimalism, a design philosophy that prioritizes intentionality and awareness. Bold minimalist home design is more than a trend. It's a timeless approach to living mindfully and meaningfully. By embracing simplicity, integrating nature, and valuing intentionality, this design style creates spaces that feel serene yet striking, sophisticated yet soulful. It challenges us to rethink luxury, not as excess, but as thoughtful curation. In a world overwhelmed by distractions, bold minimalism offers a sanctuary, a home that not only stands as a testament to design, but also as a reflection of a more intentional, harmonious way of living.